Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Redmi Note 11 Pro with a damaged display. As you can see here, it's black and blue and white. Let's go fix it. So first thing we're gonna do is try to see the extent of the damage, and the screen is indeed damaged and cracked. We're gonna remove the back cover on this Redmi Note 11 Pro. It's quite a thick phone on the side. I'm gonna be very careful with the removal of this back cover. David has a plan to reuse the adhesive that's on this display. It's quite nice actually that it can be reused. Bit of alcohol, and then there you go. Also gonna remove some adhesive and reapply it to the housing. It's quite ingenious to have this display adhesive reused. Slowly operate on it. There you have it. That's not actually the main part of the repair, it's just for the adhesive. David is very meticulous, very careful when doing repairs, so we're going to take this step by step. Remove the cover for the daughter board. Attach this connector, because this connector is the connector for the display, and we can test our replacement display. If we can connect it here, we can turn on the device, and there you have it. The smartphone is now alive with a new face, but it's still gonna be a testing phase, so we're gonna properly install it to the main housing of the smartphone. But so far the color is good, cameras, touch screen, all working fine. Try to shut it down properly, and you can actually shut it down properly. I'm gonna put the replacement display to the side for now. We're gonna remove the broken display right away. But so far we have removed the back cover, the cover for the daughter board, and now we can perform the main removal of the display, the broken display, which is kind of nice. The more parts you can forego removing, it's gonna be a quicker repair. Right there. Next, we're gonna prep the housing by cleaning up the sides of it from the gunk and old glue that had just dried up. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna do it right so we can properly install the new display. I also have some spacers on the side that needs to be reconnected with a new adhesive, so we're gonna put some adhesive on that part first. Next, we're gonna put adhesive on the main sides of the housing. I'm gonna put that slowly. Main thing you're gonna consider is the camera. Just make sure the camera is clear. Position. And press it in. There you have it. I believe the Note 11 Pro is good for DIYers if you're interested in fixing your own smartphone. The Redmi Note 11 Pro is quite inexpensive, so you can try this on this model. It's also easy. You just remove the back cover, the daughter board cover, and put them back in together, and you have a brand new phone from the front. You don't have to buy another smartphone, to be honest. If the only problem is the battery and display, you can just replace them. If there's some board issues, then maybe you need a more advanced fix. Here's Sydney CBD Repair Center. We specialize on fixing your screen and battery. David here, checking the camera. That's David there. That's our expert. If you have any issues, you can reach out to him. He will tell you if we can fix your smartphone or not, if we have some stocks, or if we can order something for you. And that's it. I think this is ready for the client. If you're not around Sydney and you can't go visit David, if you can't have a visit here in the shop, you can also mail in your broken smartphone and we'll fix it here in the shop and mail it back to you once David agrees with the terms. If you agree with our terms, we'll fix your smartphone for you. I'm gonna put this free tempered glass, not really for the Note 11 Pro, but it's still gonna be still gonna fit quite nicely on the device, just to give it a bit more protection. Here we go. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this helpful or entertaining, like and subscribe. We release new videos every day. So thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time.